In previous part, design a rectangular patch antenna. Now we are going to add a H-shape slot in that antenna, and we will see how the results are getting changed by designing a H-shape slot. And we will see if we decrease this length of this slot, so what will the result will affecting, and if we increase the length of this slot value, how the result are getting changes. In previous part we have designed this antenna, which is rectangular patch antenna with insert field. In that antenna you have to add some rectangles in that. Now I am going to explain you the dimension of those rectangles, so that if you want to add this slot in the antenna which we have created in part 1, you can add these rectangles. The first rectangle, whose dimension is this much, similarly create another rectangle with this dimension, and similarly for third rectangle with this dimension. In the antenna we have designed in part 1. After that you have to unite all these rectangles, and there is patch, and subtract this rectangle from patch. You will get an H-shaped slot. In the antenna we have designed in part 1 of U-shaped slot. After that I am going to analyze this. When analysis complete, first I am going to check the E field plot for all objects. This is we have E field magnitude plot, how it is going to radiate. You can check it from animation behavior of this antenna. Similarly for E field vector plot, first select patch, you will get these with this vector plot. This is the animation behavior of this H-shaped plot. For radiation far field, I am going to check 3D polar plot for gain of this antenna. This is we have. Similarly the 2D result for return loss of this antenna is this. Now here you can see that the matching is not quite good. We will change further dimension of this H-shaped plot, and we will get This. Here is operating frequency band is 3.5 to 3.6 GHz. You can see that the band is further shifted. Now by changing the sweep value, we can correct these matching behavior, and similarly by changing the dimension of this H plate, we will shift this portion near to the field line and this portion near to the field line in symmetric behavior. You will see the result will change and matching will get improved. And similarly we will decrease the width of this H-shaped slot. The frequency will shift to lower frequency to 3 GHz.